What is going on, Jasmy family? Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Hopefully you're going to have a great start of your morning. So we're going to talk about Jasmy today. We're going to talk about just the project and what this project is about so that you can understand why you're invested in Jasmy or why you're not invested in Jasmy. So let's talk about all that. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so that you can stay up to date with all the Run My Crypto videos, guys. Now, this is not financial advice, just some education to get you through your crypto journey. So make sure you guys watch all the way through to the end because it's going to be very good when it comes to learning what Jasmy really is, guys. So stick with me. Let's knock this out as quick as we can. Let's go. So my first point of contact is trying to break all this FUD behind what people are saying behind Jasmy. Jasmy's dead. Jasmy's not moving. Jasmy's not going beyond 2 cents, guys. Well, let me tell you something. A lot of cryptocurrencies are going through the same thing that Jasmy's going through, and it's just consolidation, right? I'm not saying that Jasmy's gonna go to $1 tomorrow, but I guarantee Jasmy is eventually gonna get to $1, and I believe it's gonna happen within this bull run of 2024 and 2025. We will see Jasmy go to that $50 billion market cap and $1 valuation for this coin, guys. It's inevitable and it's going to happen. So much money flowing into the markets, it's ridiculous for you not to understand that. So let's talk about Jasmy as a project. First off, we're gonna go to Jasmy's new partnership with Panasonic. Where in the world would I find information about Jasmy and their project? Well, I guess, I'm going to head over to their website, a website that pretty much has looked the same for quite some time. Guys, I'd rather have my website looking the same and putting in work out in the streets to make this project pop. So here we are, guys, Jasmy. So this is jasmy.global, guys, and this is where you can find all the information that you need for Jasmy. So let's see, we'll hit the news tab. Updated on 3/26/2024, we have collaboration begins to create a Web3 based platform that connects personal information with IoT. That's going to take us to the medium that was put out, guys, and then this is basically to all members of the press, March 26, 2024, Panasonic Advanced Technology Development and Jasmy Incorporated. Collaboration begins to create a Web3 based platform that connects personal information with IoT information. So it goes through talking about just the gentlemen and partners and basically who's all involved. All right, so this article is pretty good. So it talks about the Jasmy platform, which includes the Jasmy personal data locker. So the PDL, guys, this is what Jasmy's been pushing from the beginning, where they wanted to bring Internet of Things, IoT into, and data collection information into the blockchain. And basically they have been able to accomplish that with not only then Panasonic assisting them to create this extensive high technology driven development of blockchain technology, merging it with IoT, and basically creating something that's going to be extremely great in the future, guys. So if you guys actually come in here and read this thoroughly, it gives you the breakdown on how they plan to utilize IT companies basically creating this platform, right? The PDL, the locker, they're going to be taking that data that's been generated from different devices in different areas and different things that Panasonic has been doing, and bring that into the blockchain. Plus they're going to be able to have extremely quick data processing, big time security, and then real time responsiveness as it becomes more important for the users. And as users start to grow, it's going to bring a lot of opportunity into Jasmy as a project and being able to utilize that functionality for cryptocurrency. Now all this is revolved and built behind the SDK. All right, and if you scroll down a little bit, it goes into, obviously, if you've never been on the Jasmy site, you get to see the information that they are dubbed build the Bitcoin, Japan's Bitcoin, guys. So people are really highly value Jasmy in Japan and those country in that country. Now platform, right? So your IoT platform, the devices, mobile applications, secure data analysis, strategy and management support. Now when you look at the way that Jasmy set up, scroll down here to the bottom. Actually, this is pretty cool, right? So it's being updated, 66,000 holders, right? So you guys remember when we're about 50,000, we're up about 16,400 holders just in Jasmy. Circulating supply 49. So always come to the site to reference where we're sitting at. So now we got some information down here as we start to see Jasmy move forward into, building their, basically their platform that they've been trying to get out for quite some time, and now it's out, and it's amazing, guys. So I'm trying to find, I thought it was down here, but it's under how it works now that I remember. You come down, you come into how it works, and you scroll down to, I want to say it's, here we go. So Jasmy's ecosystem. So basically they give you a rundown of how they essentially want to set up Jasmy. Now, when I was talking SDK, this is your secure knowledge communicator, right? That operates. So this is your medium that goes through to the personal data locker, and your SDK runs from consumer data to merchant that pays in Jasmy coin using data, also into consumers receive Jasmy coin and then use Jasmy coin as digital currency. So this is just a wrap up of the whole nutshell of what the personal data locker, the IoT information, all is going to be doing as far as them creating an ecosystem. So this is huge, guys, for Jasmy, because they're finally pushing towards those steps that they initially wanted to do as a project, and then bringing on Panasonic is another step for a major move upwards for Jasmy. If I'm going to talk about Jasmy and I'm going to talk about Panasonic, we need to see what Panasonic Panasonic Advanced Technology Department or Development is about, PAD. So right here is a little bit of information. It says Panasonic Advanced Technology Development is a system and software development provider. Okay, the company provides development services for automotive, solution, network, security, functional safety, etc. They realize safe, secure, comfort, and covenant living through system and software development with high technologies, guys. So I think this is super bullish for Jasmy in general, guys, because when you look at Panasonic as a whole business, we know that Panasonic is just, killing it in every direction. Everything they put their hands on, basically, they do their thing. So right here, guys, if you guys wanted to come to, this is adtstd.japan. It's because it's in Japanese, and you can actually convert it into English, and you can check out the Panasonic Advanced Technology website. So basically what they do is they have, even right here, they listed right there with their PR times is a real big this is where PR times is where I get a lot of information from Jasmy, because Jasmy's centered out in Japan, and that's where they're focusing on. But right here, guys, they have basically released information about Jasmy and the partnership. So this is a huge thing in Japan and in the Asian areas, because it's really a big deal that they're taking part in a big movement when it comes to cryptocurrency. So it's basically they're stepping into the game with Jasmy as a partnership to go after their main function for this project. And I think that's super huge, and they know that, because this is not only going to take Panasonic to the next level, but obviously Jasmy is going to the next level. So they have, so their number 2 item is IoT system field. So basically they aim to continuously provide value that is helpful to customers. They develop network enabled edge devices and home appliances, cloud systems, and applications, guys. So this is going to be a huge move for Jasmy as far as being able to create a development where the utility starts to come to light, guys, and we're going to see Jasmy's utility move forward. Now, also you need to understand is the fact that you need to remember that Jasmy has already started going and collecting data, guys. They were using college students, just like Internet Computer and other projects where they create these hackathons. They were getting information as far as collecting data for the data locker from college students out in the Asian areas in Japan. But you guys understand that the technology in Japan and in those areas are way advanced more than us. I mean, they're already literally practicing Web3 technology in Japan and China and in the Asian countries. I think Japan and the Asian countries are very strong countries because they've been advancing in technology for many years. I mean, all the greatest technology that we utilize nowadays comes from Japan and China, and it's not to say anything. Every country has its strengths and leverages, and it's just technology is essentially what comes out of that country, and that's great. That's beautiful, because it's good to enjoy other countries abilities, guys. We can't limit ourselves to what is in the United States. We have to look Switzerland, you know, internet computer. They're doing things in Switzerland. They're basically launching internet computer out there. You know, Jasmy's doing it in Japan, guys. I would love to see, you know, Solana represent the United States because they've came out of San Diego, but I don't know essentially where they're based out now. But you know, it's good to see every country being involved more and more into cryptocurrency. So in Web3, 100%. So those are the things that Jasmy's been doing with, you know, acquiring Panasonic, as far as it being able to build the utility. And that's what the focus was of the utility, guys. The main utility that's going to be super important. I could add everything else besides Jasmy, but we're going to be talking through this for, you know, an hour, 2 hour. This could be a 2 hour long video, but I really wanted to give you the gist of understanding where Jasmy's going to be able to come out of just speculation of what the project's going to do to a position where they're actually, you know, bringing utility for users to start using and collecting data and show forth how Jasmy's really operating with their project. So in the future, guys, short term, 6 to 8 months, I'm hoping we could get the whole IoT launched and working and operable. Is going to be huge for the project, because now it's going to take Jasmy to that level where it's like, you know, everything's being utilized. You know, we have token lockups that are coming. 100 million a month is basically what I'm being told. So 100 million tokens being locked up monthly. You know, the project starting to show forth utility, users starting to adopt into it. Junction going full blown, the mega wallet that Jasmy's building. So all that stuff start working, rocking and rolling, guys. We'll go beyond $1 in 2025. So guys, this is what I wanted to do, is just talk about Panasonic, just give you a little bit of idea based on, if you guys are not familiar with Jasmy and what they do as a project. That's what I wanted to get across in this video, guys. So hopefully you guys liked it. Just wanted to touch base. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, guys, so you can stay up to date with the Run My Cryptos, guys. And I'll say it again, Jasmy to $1. So all the haters hate, I'll see you on the comments. Jasmy to $1. Let's go. Come on, haters.